Is your windshield cracked or chipped? Don't wait for the damage to get worse. At Aztek Auto Glass Inc., we specialize in quick, reliable windshield repairs in Salt Lake City, Utah. With years of experience, our certified technicians ensure top-quality repairs that restore your windshield to its original condition. We use advanced technology to repair chips and cracks, helping you save time and money compared to windshield replacement. Whether it's a small crack or a larger chip, we've got you covered. At Aztek Auto Glass, we understand the importance of your safety. That's why we ensure every repair is done with precision and care. Don't let a damaged windshield compromise your visibility or your safety on the road. We make the process easy. You can call us to schedule an appointment or simply walk in. Conveniently located in Salt Lake City, we're proud to serve our local community with professional auto glass services. Get your windshield repaired today and drive with confidence again. Call us now at 801-973-1189 to schedule your repair. For more information, visit our website at saltlakecityautoglass.org. We're committed to providing fast, friendly, and professional service every time. From small repairs to full replacements, Aztek Auto Glass Inc. is your go-to solution for all things auto glass. Trust Aztek Auto Glass to keep you safe and your windshield looking as good as new. Call us today, and let us help you drive safely with a clear view ahead.